Which topic we learned in the previous video? Anyone?
Ma'am, extension.
Extension?
TIFF,
Which
Yes.
extension?
JPG, GIF,
क्या
PNG.
extension है ये?
The images, ma'am. How
Yes,
to
we learn
add
about
Yes,
images.
the
How to
ma'am.
insert
Images.
images.
types of
Yes, ma'am.
images. Means how many types of images are there?
Ma'am, 4 types of image.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. TIFF, JPEG, GIF, and PNG.
Yes, very good.
PNG.
And hopefully that you learn and you are able to identify the types of the image whenever you open any of the image in your computer or download it. Please, Shriya, whenever you speak some of the thing, mute yourself if you are unmuting that. Okay, so now we are going to learn our next topic, name table. Okay, so I'm going to share one screen to you. What do you see in this? Okay. Have you seen this screen? What is this?
Number table.
It's a table, right?
Table.
So can you identify it? Which are the rows, which are the columns? Or can you give me the definition of the row and the column that we already learned?
The cells which are in a horizontal manner, they are rows, and the cells which are in vertical manner
vertical.
are known as columns.
Very good. Horizontal manner means the rows and vertical means the columns. So you can
Row.
see the one image also.
Columns.
That will be also display that name of the rows and the columns. For example, you have your timetable. On your timetable, that will be on the horizontal form, that will be written the time, and in the one vertical form, the days are also written. And your subject list is already given to you.
लैपटॉप में ये सब करो सब ये
Please mute yourself if you want to talk with your parents or leave the meeting. I am allowing to you. Leave the meeting if you want to talk with your parent or other persons. Okay, you have your timetable, your subject timetable, जिसके according आप अपने हिसाब से चलते हो. मतलब आपको पता होता है कि अभी कंप्यूटर का क्लास है, अभी मैथ्स का क्लास होगा, कि आज जूम क्लास होगी, right? आपके टाइम टेबल में लिखा हुआ है. You say the word time table means it will be display the time as well as in form of the table. जो इतना इजीली रिप्रेजेंट किया होता है, जो आपको इजीली समझ में भी आता है और आप किसी और को भी इजीली समझा सकते हो. So that thing is in the sum of the web page. You can see that will be entered in the form of the table. So now we are going to enter our table in the web page. So I already
Ma'am,
made.
your voice is not coming properly.
So that will be some network issue,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think.
Yes, ma'am.
It is cutting so much.
Okay, wait a moment. Okay. Now, can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, I already made a one of the program with the use of the OL and the OL. Okay, what do you mean by the OL? What is the full form of OL?
Order list.
Yes, order list means it will be come in form of the 1, 2, 3, 4 or the alphabets A, B, C and the D. Right? So here I'm just writing down one heading, then using the OL and use the list also. No need to write down the BR here. If you don't want to use the BR, so you cannot use. Okay, so who wants to sing the song, they can leave the meeting. Okay, I'm saving it and show you the first, the output to you. Okay, that will be I saved on the desktop. That is the name 7 table. Okay, so this is the table. Just refresh it. Because I forgot to something here. Save. Okay, so you can see the numbers here in the Roman form just because I write down the type equals to I. Whenever I write down the A, you can see that in form of ABCD. Okay, I forgot to save it. So it will be converted into the ABCD. If you understood what is the OL and the UL, then it will be easy for you to create a table. So simply let's learn. First of all, you know what is the table. It will be made by using of the row and the columns. So first of all, we are using the structure. We are taking the structure of the table. If you want to make a table, then compulsory that you have to be use the tag that name is table. That will be a
Table.
non-empty tag. वो non-empty tag है just because it's a have an ending tag also. If you are not writing the table tag, then you are not able to create a table in your web page. Okay. दूसरी next thing, in the OL and the UL, you can see that if you are writing the OL, then you are able to writing the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Whenever you are writing the LI, it's allow you to list the things in form of the number. Two things compulsory in the OL and the UL. First is the OL or the UL. Second is the LI. OL means the order list, means आपको 1, 2, 3 लेना है. UL means the unorder list, means आपको bullets लेने हैं.
Ma'am, why OL is used but
What the numbering for list? Simple. If I am not writing here any of the thing, that will be comes in the form of the 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? LI means the list of the contains, means आपको डिटेल्स आपको जो भी लिखनी होगी वो यहाँ पे स्टार्स आपको दिखाई देगी. जैसे कि मैं यहाँ पे आपको दिखाऊं, मैथमेटिक्स, इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मीन्स नंबरिंग आप कैसे करते हो वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड है. So two things are compulsory, OL and the UL. So for the table, 3 things are compulsory. First is the table tag, second is the row, and third is the column. Okay, first is the table compulsory. As you know, table will be made with use of the row and the column. So TR means the row and TD means the column. TR means the row, table row. आपको full form याद रखना पड़ेगा. TR means the table row. TD means the table descriptions, or you can see the column also. Okay, so next two things are caption. Caption is used for the heading of the table. कि ये टेबल आपने किसके लिए बनाया है. अगर आपको कोई कैप्शन डालना हो तो उसके लिए आप कैप्शन टैग का यूज करोगे. And the TH means the heading of the row. For example, जब आपने टाइम टेबल देखा होगा तो उसमें आपने देखा कि टाइम भी लिखा होता है और साइड में डेज भी लिखे होते हैं. If you want to bold them, then you can use the TH in the web page. हमने जो आपको शीट भेजी है टाइम टेबल की वो एक्सेल में थी तो सारा कुछ बोल्ड में था, राइट? लेकिन वेब पेज होता है उसमें सब कुछ बोल्ड में नहीं आता. सिंपली अभी हम यूज करेंगे टेबल, TR and the TD. Means table tag, without it you cannot able to create the table. Then the TR means create the table row, and the TD means the table description or the column. So I will show you the one of the example for that. So simply I am writing the table here. Compulsory you have to close it also. Before closing it, you have to be enter the TR and the TD. So as we are enter
we have to
LI,
close it at last
yes, I'm
after
writing in
writing
between.
TR and TD?
Yes, you
Okay.
can. Okay, so जैसे कि हमने OL और LI में लिखा था, in place of OL you can write down the TR, and in place of the LI you can write down the TD. but you have to close all the things. For example, I'm writing the TR, means first row. Okay, first row, first column means the TD. For example, I'm taking the example of the timetable mathematics. Close the TD. Again, enter the TD. English, TD close. Again, start the TD. Hindi, TD closed. Okay, so I am taking only 3 things in the first row. So I am close the TR now. मैंने first row बना दी है, अब मुझे लेनी है second row. So again I have to start the TR. मुझे second row के लिए वापस से TR को start करना पड़ेगा और उसके लिए वापस से मुझे TD लिखने पड़ेंगे. So I am writing the computer here. Computer.
Ma'am, I saw in the textbook whole example.
This example, but I am making it by myself. मैंने ये book में नहीं
Yeah, no, ma'am, different example.
Rati, sorry. TD. And again I am writing SSTS, don't forget. And the TD will be closed. Compulsory, you have to also close the TR. Otherwise, it will be come in the one row only. अगर आपने TR close नहीं किया तो वो एक ही रो में कंटिन्यू करेगा और वो लेंथी टेबल होगा, रो वाइज और कॉलम वाइज नहीं होगा. Okay, I am saving it and show you the output. Okay, here you can see that it will be comes in the form of the table, but you cannot see the borders that will be come in the attributes of that. But I'm using it just because you are not able to.
Ma'am, for that we have to write border.
Yes, I'm just writing. I'm just teach you one attribute of that. Border equals to 2, and you can see the output here. तो अब अभी आपको पता चलेगा कि एक टेबल है, right? You can add more rows, more columns. For example, I'm adding the more rows, taking the same thing and saved it, and you can see the output.
I mean, textbook there was an example of marks and all. Name
That will be
marks.
other example, but I want to take this one for your demo.
Yes.
आप book refer करते हो, लेकिन मैं जो example बनाती हूँ वो refer करने के लिए मैं यहाँ पे दिखाती हूँ. Okay, if you want to add the columns here, so you can also add that. So for example,
Ma'am, we could also add an image in the table differently.
yes, that will be comes after. That will be not in the 7th standard. Okay, so I'm adding a 1 here. So that's why you can see that. I'm just copying and adding more columns here.
Ma'am, we have to write the number of border in quotes.
Yeah, no, it's okay. It's a number, na, then you can write it a simple down.
Okay.
Whenever you are writing the text, then you compulsory use the double quotes. Okay, refresh, and you can see
Ma'am,
the
in
table.
textbook it is given with double quote.
It's okay, but I am writing it without double quote and it comes.
Okay.
For the numbering, it's not necessary that you are writing in the double quote or not. Okay, for only numbers. Whenever you are using the color, then compulsory you have to be write down the double quotes. For example, if you want to add the background color equals to blue, so blue.
Ma'am,
is
we can
one
add
type of
color in the
text.
table.
We can, but first we have to learn it, and then we are going to add that. First we learn what is the table, how to use it, then we learn the attributes. Okay, so just be with me, don't go ahead with me. Okay, so first of all, TR, TD, you have to be remember the full forms of that. Okay, Next is the caption. Caption means the heading of the table. So you can use that caption. Okay, caption equals to, I'm just writing down timetable and close the caption here. Sorry. And save. You can see the output here also. That will become at the center of the table. Okay, you can also change the color, but that thing we will learn on the next class. Next, we learn the TH.
Okay, ma'am.
TH means the heading of the table. For example, I want to write down the day number. So I am using that. Again, TR. I just copied it. You can also.
Ma'am, in caption, it comes in the middle.
Yes, that will be comes like about the table. कि आप ये टेबल किसके लिए बना रहे हो, क्यों बना रहे हो, आपको डिटेल्स देनी हो तो उसके लिए आप कैप्शन यूज कर सकते हो, वो एग्जैक्टली टेबल के ऊपर ही आएगा.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm using the TH now. TH means the heading. In here, I'm writing down the days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and here I have to change it TH. Okay, so TH means the heading, and you can see that it will be converted in the bold form. Yes, I have to also add one row that will be show the days here. This is the heading, and I will change the color of all this thing. So that's why you can see the output easily. Okay, sorry, I just forgot the thing. In place of the TD, I have to do the DH. That's thing that will be made the head. Oh, sorry, forgot to ending also.
Ma'am, if we write TH, we don't have to write TD.
So you can see that it will be comes in the bold form. वो जो पहले simple form में था तो वो automatically convert हो जाता है bold form में, right? So this is the way to enter the heading. If you want to enter the time also, so on the side you can also insert the time with the use of the TR, TD and the TH. So these things we learned the 4 things here. First, table, create a table. Compulsory you need the table tag. Then caption means if you want to describe about the table or say about the table, that will be come on the heading of the table like this. That way then time you can use the caption and it will become on the middle and the top of the table. Second, TR and the TT. TR means the table rows, TD means the table columns or the table descriptions. And last we learned the table heading, TH. As we learn the heading text H1, H2, H3, you can see that it will become in the form of the bold and it will be slightly increased in the side. So like that, TH also comes. Yes.
Ma'am, timetable is written, so we can do that also in bold.
Yes, using of the heading tag if you want to use that.
Should
or you can
ma'am, we
do
could
that.
also bold caption.
Yes,
How
yes,
to do
yes.
that?
You can also do that like this. If you want to bold it, you can do that. B tag is used for the bold. So you can see that it will be bold. If you want to underline, then you can also do that with using of the U tag. ओके फॉर्मेट टैग्स जो होते हैं वो इसके लिए ही यूज होता है. जैसे कि फर्स्ट टैग यहाँ पे है, मैंने स्कूल का नाम लिखा है, उसके वो बोल्ड भी किया है, उसको अंडरलाइन भी किया है. इफ आई वांट, और ये सेकंड वाला जो है सब्जेक्ट लिस्ट ऑफ ग्रेड 7, उसको मैंने इटैलिक्स फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया है. इफ यू सी द कोड हियर.
Yes, ma'am.
So here we learn the 5 tags:
Yes, ma'am.
table, tr, td, caption and the th. Right? So I want to show you one thing. If you think that, ma'am, if we remove the table, we have a tr and the td also. So what's the need to write down the table tag? No one asked me that. So I want to show you that if I removed the table tag, what will be happen and what will be the output. Okay, so just refresh and you
Ma'am,
can
I
see
think so
that
there will be no table.
yes, it will be comes into the simple
Yes.
line. वो simple line में convert हो जाएगा अगर आपने table tag नहीं लिखा है. Right? So it's a compulsory to write down the table tag, save, and you can see the changes here. Okay, understood the topic? What is the table? What is the
Yes,
arrow?
ma'am.
What is the column? What is the
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
everything you have to be know that thing. So anyone have a query in this table? Just because आपको टेबल नहीं आएगा तो आपको एट्रीब्यूट उसके कौन कौन से है, क्या क्या है, नहीं समझ में आएगा. So if you have a query, just ask me. I will also show you the code. That's why you can understand
Ma'am?
the thing. Yes.
मैम हम जो टीआर के अंदर जो टीडी लिखते हैं तो टीडी और टीएच साथ में भी लिख सकते हैं.
टीडी टीएच साथ में मतलब आपको हेडिंग का एक को करना है, एक को
मैम
हेडिंग
जैसे मैम जैसे मंडे के आगे टीएच रखा है और ट्यूसडे के आगे टीडी रखे तो चलेगा.
हाँ चलेगा, क्यों नहीं चलेगा. चेक.
तो फिर मैम
मैं
ट्यूसडे
Wednesday
का
को
बोल्ड
TD
नहीं
करती
होगा ना.
हाँ नहीं होगा, वो चेंज हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम चेंजिंग दैट.
मैम टीएच क्यों यूज होता है तो?
हेडिंग के लिए वो बोल्ड हो जाता है ना अपने आप. मैं चेंजेस दिखा रही हूँ, पहले आप देख लो. अभी मैं रिफ्रेश
तो
कर रही
मैम
हूँ.
अगर टीडी लिखेंगे तो बोल्ड नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा. यू कैन सी द चेंजेस हियर. वेडनेसडे एंड थर्सडे को मैंने टीडी किया है तो वो बोल्ड नहीं है. अगेन आई एम डूइंग दैट टीएच.
मैम वी कैन राइट बोथ टुगेदर.
मैम हम
में
मतलब
अगर आप
टीडी से भी
TH
बोल्ड
लिख
कर
रहे हो,
सकते हैं.
टीडी से कैसे बोल्ड कर सकते हो? अगर टीडी को बोल्ड करना होगा तो आपको बी टैग का यूज करना पड़ेगा. फिर तो आप दो टैग यूज कर रहे हो तो उससे अच्छा आप एक ही टैग यूज ना करो. टीएच इफ यू वांट टू बोल्ड दैट.
यस मैम.
लुक दैट
मैम
मैथमेटिक्स
टीडी से
आल्सो
मिडल
कन्वर्ट
भी
इन द
होता
बोल्ड.
है क्या?
क्या?
मैम टीडी से मिडल
Yes.
भी होता है क्या मैम?
यस, यू कैन सी दैट. हेडिंग कैसा होना चाहिए, एकदम परफेक्ट. आपको हेडिंग पता है कि वो हेडिंग कैसे दिखता है. कोई भी पेज का आप अपने नोटबुक में अपने नए चैप्टर का हेडिंग डालते हो तो किस तरह से आप करते हो. उसको अलग से पेन यूज करते हो, ब्लैक पेन यू आर यूजिंग एंड यू आर राइटिंग इन द बिग फॉन्ट आल्सो. सो लाइक दैट इट विल बी
Yes,
शो यू द हेडिंग ऑफ दैट. आप अपना ही एग्जांपल लोगे तो आपको इजीली समझ में भी आएगा कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. Okay, if you
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
bold the thing, then you have to use the two tags in the table. But whenever you are using the th, that will be comes in the bold form only. तो उसके लिए आपको दो टैग यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. उस टाइम पे आप डायरेक्ट th का यूज कर सकते हो.
Okay.
What about other students who not say a single word? समझ में आया नहीं आया, क्या हुआ कैसे हुआ? And some of the students
I
have
have
moved
one
class.
query.
Yes, please speak.
Ma'am, like we select in table, ma'am, in open office or in Word we select there will be 4 rows and 5 columns. But ma'am, in HTML we can't select.
So one type of language we cannot enter the table direct in the web page. ओके एक्सेल जो था या फिर ओपन ऑफिस जो था वो हमारी एक सॉफ्टवेयर थी, राइट? वो एक एप्लीकेशन थी. वेब पेज इज नॉट एन एप्लीकेशन, इट्स अ वन टाइप ऑफ पेज. Whenever you upload on the internet now, then it will be displayed to everyone. That time you cannot change it. If you are on earth, then you can change. Other people cannot be changed it. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ओपन ऑफिस में आपने टेबल बनाया और आपने मुझे वो भेजा तो मैं चेंज कर सकती हूँ, राइट? लेकिन मैंने वेब पेज बना के सिर्फ आपको पेज ही दिखाया, ये तो आपको पता है कि ओपन ऑफिस में इसको ओपन करके चेंज कर सकते हैं. But the people who don't know about this, they can only directly open the web page at that time. So they cannot be changed that table. So that's why its option will be not come in the Notepad++.
And ma'am, we ourselves can change.
Yes, if you have a Notepad++, then you can go to the code and you can change your table. आप अपने कोड को Notepad++ या सिंपल नोटपैड में ओपन करके उसको चेंज कर सकते हो.
Okay.
So anyone have a query?
No.
So this is the output table. You can see that.
Ma'am, I have query.
Yes, Anil. What? Anil speak or the other person? Akshar.
अनिल.
Yes, Anil. What you have the query?
मैम आपने जैसे टाइम टेबल में जैसे कन्वर्ट किया ना मैम, वहां से मुझे पता नहीं चला.
मतलब क्या कन्वर्ट किया?
मीन्स मैम आपने जब वो टेबल को टाइम टेबल करके आपने हेडिंग डाली ना मैम, ऊपर टाइम टेबल करके ऑटोमेटिकली वो आउटपुट आया. मैं वहां से
ये टाइम टेबल.
यस मैम, वहां से पता नहीं चला.
वो है ना, एक तो टैग होता है हेडिंग के लिए, दैट इज कॉल्ड द कैप्शन. ओके, फॉर द टेबल हेडिंग, होल टेबल हेडिंग वी आर यूजिंग द कैप्शन टैग. ओके, that is called the caption, and th means the heading of the row or the column, that is called the th. If you want to bold the thing, then you can use the th tag, that is name is table heading. You have to be remember compulsory the full forms of the all the tags. Table and caption already comes in the full forms. TR means the table row, TB means the table description, and TH means table heading. That will be asked in the MCQ also whenever we take the test. And next time we will take the test in the Google form, not online classes or not in the paper. Okay, so anyone have a query now?
What ma'am, can you repeat?
Which thing I have to repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
Next time we will
Test.
I will instruct you before the test. Whenever we conduct a test, when half chapter will be complete, we will conduct a one test of the HTML.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am?
Yes, yes.
And
yes.
ma'am, what you said of not on online and not on paper?
We are not conducting
Ma'am, means-
next time the test on the pen. You are writing on the notebook now. Next time we will directly conduct the test online. You have to submit it. For example, you
By screen sharing.
no. With use of the form. मैं आपको एक फॉर्म भेजूंगी, उसमें ही डायरेक्ट आंसर आपको ऑनलाइन अपने मोबाइल फोन या फिर कंप्यूटर का यूज करके आंसर लिख के डायरेक्टली आपको सबमिट कर देना है, और एट दैट टाइम यू कैन गेट योर मार्क्स.
मैम प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम है?
प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है, प्रैक्टिकल तो ऐसे ही होगी, जूम पे ही होगी.
हाँ मैम.
मैम